Baltimore be unfazed. Cause who cares what a hater gotta say? We were raised on the neglected scraps that we have come to cherish and celebrate. See, this city covered with charisma. Like crabs smothered in Old Bay, energy flowed like the Chesapeake Way. We harbor healers, hard work, and homegrown talent in the heart of the city.
You're not just here tonight to celebrate the work of an organization. You're here tonight to make sure that the organization can continue to serve more people, because there's still more people that need to be served.
This event was dynamic. I mean, we put in a lot of work. I literally put everything to the side for this, and it really came together more than I expected. We have a very mighty small staff of literally about five to six, and their commitment, dedication, and all of our support, our coordinator, Kim, just everybody, just the participants, and all of the love that we had was freaking dynamic. And we got the black governor, the first event after he won. What else do you want from me? Like, amazing.
I am so honored to be receiving an award named for Whitney Young, because my entire experience, my entire campaign, and my entire career in life is really built on this premise that we all do better when we all do better. And I am so grateful to the Urban League, Tiffany, your leadership, Ricky, your leadership, for the work that you all do in helping make sure that we are lifting up Black Marylanders, that we are fighting the racial wealth divide, that we are making sure that every child can succeed and thrive.
The elected officials, a lot of these people here, some of them have heard them speak before, but a lot of these people never heard them speak before. They got the chance to hear what's happening in the community, to hear what they're going for and what they're trying to do, and to better Maryland, to better Baltimore. For the community, this is a great spot for those small business owners that came out to network, to try to find maybe venture capitalists, to meet people that can help position them to succeed. Because Black-owned businesses aren't invisible, but we need to find ways to get capital, because it's hard to get capital out here. And this gave the platform to meet people and to network and to just have a good time.
The racial wealth gap exists because of policies. Policies that sit in place to allow the gap to exist and to allow the gap to increase. Policies like things like unfair appraisal values in historically redlined neighborhoods, which I'm proud of the fact we have leaders in this room. I work closely with Senator Antonio Hayes and delegates like Brooke, Lierman on these kind of issues, who put together legislation around the exact fact that the racial wealth gap and that unfair appraisal values has been one of the greatest wealth thefts that we have seen in the history of the state of Maryland. We have a unique opportunity to say we are not going to be the tail, we are going to be the head on these conversations.
Greater Baltimore Urban League has done something incredible. I love what Tiffany has orchestrated. I was here earlier for the pitch this morning, and that was amazing. And to see the room transform into this, it is just, it's beautiful, because you get to see so many Black, excellent entrepreneurs, councilmen, just people of color just doing amazing things. And I'm excited to be here. I feel the energy, and we're going big places.
So my hopes is that anyone that came here today will take from this that our responsibility on earth is to serve others, and that they will make sure they do that when they leave here. That's it.